Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought it would be interesting to start like a little series where I use all of the Makeup Revolution collabs that I own. So to kick it off, I'm going to go in with the Soph X Makeup Revolution palette, the first one. Got all the lovely shades in here. And I'm going to be doing, as you can see, like a little soft red eye. And the reason I'm in the same top as my last video is because I've literally just taken that makeup off and I'm just recording now. So I've already done my base. I just used the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Fine Concealer in C5, and this time I set it with the Revolution Translucent powder. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is called Peaches, and it is this shade right here, and that's just going to go all the way through my crease and all the way up to my brow bone, like my brow. And this is a very light shade. It does show up on me, but I have to build it up, which is fine because it lives up to its name. It is a gorgeous peachy shade. And picking up a bit more, and then really working it into the front of my brow, and then whatever's left I'll just wing out slightly because I want to keep this eye kind of soft and round and halo-ish. Now I've got that done, I'm going to go in with another crease brush, and I'm going to take a combo of Strawberry Sweet and Pumpkin, which is Strawberry Sweets here, and this one's Pumpkin. First, I'm just going to go in with Strawberry Sweet and just run that through my crease. I will admit, this shade is a bit lackluster because it's not quite as pigmented as I was expecting it to be, but then, to be fair, I have had this palette since it first came out. It was one of the very first Makeup Revolution items I got, and it still holds a special place in my heart because I love it. Now I'm going to go in with Pumpkin, and then just run that through my crease and all over Strawberry Sweets. So if you can hear a dog, again, it's because Lucky's still around here, because obviously he's my dog, he lives with me. Usually when I record, my mum has him, but because obviously we're all in lockdown and trying to self-isolate as much as we possibly can, I'm not really going around my mum's as much, because she just lives across the hall from me in her own flat due to my problems. She has to be close by because she's kind of my carer. So now I'm going to go back in with the original brush and with that shade Peaches, picking some up, and then just running that all along the edge to blend. Now I'm going to pick up some more of the shade Pumpkin, and just really ensure that this outer V area is nice and blended and built up to the pigment that I have for this eye. Oop, just dropped my brush. So going back in with that original brush that had peaches on it, and then just really working it. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to take the shade Danger, which is this dark purpley plummy shade here. And this is where the halo eyes start to come in. I'm going to first just tap it on the outer and then inner parts. Like right now I'm not really too worried about pigment, I'm just worried about working to get the shadow where I want it. And then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to softly take that through my crease. Sorry guys, just picking up the thing with the name on because that just fell. And I'm going to pick up a bit more of Danger and then just really work to start building that pigment up to where I want it. Now I'm going to go back in with the brush that had the shades Strawberry Sweets and Pumpkin. I'm just going to pick up a touch of Pumpkin and then just softly blend that out. This look is really quite simple and it's really easy and quick to do. So now I'm going to take the shade Copper Coin, which is this one right here. I'm just taking it on my royallangnickel shader brush. Pick it up and then just going to spritz it, and then that's just going to go straight down the middle of my lid. Now I'm going to go back in with Danger and then just tap it the shadow on the edges just to get a nice seamless blend. And then with whatever's left, I'll just run that through the top of my crease. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the fallout as well as create a little sharp line, like always. Make sure I got rid of it, a bit of the fallout on my nose. While my face dries a little bit, I'm going to go in with my bronzer. Once again, I'm using my Mega bronzer in 01 Cool by Revolution. I'm going to apply it to my forehead, jawline, and a bit more to the cheek area here. For concealer, sorry, I forgot that the lid was off. For concealer today, I'm using the Heartbreaker Concealer in shade Shortbread. Dab that all over. And then blend. And I'm really happy I got this concealer actually because it's nice and pigmented as well. Like, I wasn't too sure how pigmented it would be, but this is actually really, really nice. Now I'm just gonna take some of my powder and just set that area. Sorry guys, I'm just brushing off the excess. And while I'm waiting for that, I might as well do my blush. And today I'm gonna, well, in this video I'm gonna do a combo First, I'm going to go in with the Blusher Reloaded blusher in Coral Dreams. Sweat that all over the apple, just my nose, because I really like having like kind of ready nose for some reason. I like having blush on my nose. And work it back up near my brow. And then on top, I'm going to apply the iHeartRevolution Peaches and Glow. Just so we got a bit of shimmer. Just swirl it through both sides and then apply. Now I can get rid of the bake. And might as well finish doing my bronzer. Nearly drop it. Sorry guys, didn't realise I was covering it a bit then. Then to ensure that that's slightly sharp, I'm going to take some of the powder on my Miracle Complexion sponge and just literally do that straight down. And this time I don't really leave it too long. I just literally put it on for 1 or 2 seconds and then I won't wipe away the bake. See, it's giving me a nice sharp line. So now I'm going to finish with continue doing my blush. Sorry if I seem a bit rushed, guys, but don't know why. Just feeling a bit agitated. And I'm going to go back in with the Peaches and Glow. Now to continue with the eyes, going with my dual-ended brush, I'm going to take the shade Danger. And I'm just going to apply it to the outer and inner corner. And connect it to the top line. And then I'm going to take that shade Copper Coin and just apply that through the middle. Actually, spritz it a bit. Get nice and pigmented. And then just run that in between the 2 shades before I pick up a tiny bit more Danger, and then just dab the edges so the blend's nice and done. And I'm going to go in with that brush that had Strawberry Sweets and Pumpkin, no extra product. I'm just going to first run that underneath so we can start the blend. And then I'm going to go back in with my original brush that had the shade Peaches on. This time I am going to pick up a touch of it, but not too much. And then just run that along the bottom area even more. Now I'm going to go in with the iHeartRevolution Milk Chocolate palette again, translucent. side and then just run that along the bottom even further. For highlight today, I'm going to be using another one by Collective Cosmetics. This was in their January or February subscription box, I think. One or two. Ooh, just nearly fell off my lap. I'm going to first apply that to my inner corner. And then my brow bone. And then apply it to the general areas, Cupid's bow, chin, nose. Brow. Before I go in with my main highlighting brush. Before I do that, I'm going to set my face. Now I'm just going to apply it to as my highlighter. You can see, boom, I am obsessed with this highlighter. Yeah, this was actually from their February subscription box. I think it was a subscription box, or was it one of their Valentine's collections? One or the other. Either way, it is a stunning peachy highlight and I love it. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to apply mascara. And this time I'm going to use my Curlevelation Mascara by Revolution. As you can see, just literally curled. So it makes doing your lashes super easy. Boom. Nope. And for lips, I'm going to go in with the beautyglazed Kristen matte liquid lipstick in the shade Kristen. Just a nice pinky, peachy shade. Now I'm just going to take my highlighting brush, next product, and just slightly tap the highlighter just to the centre of my lip this time. And one final time, switch my face. Alright guys, that is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. I will probably be using the first Tammy palette in my next video. I'm not sure, I'll see. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Follow me on Instagram, it's just faith_beauty_xo. And also, again, don't forget to keep on remaining safe as you can, and I hope you're all going to continue to be safe and healthy, you and your loved ones, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.